What captivates you? Is it to have time and money freedom at the same time? Onpassive covers all that and then some for you and the world. What captivates you? Is it you want to breathe easier? Or you want more time in your life? Or is it you don't want to stress out about having a job? Or maybe even your business. Make your business better for a way less and easier. Are you looking for something easier? You want to have both time and money at the same time? Are you captivated on getting your dreams and goals done? Instead of it just being a thought or something you wrote down, a wish? Oh, wait. You are captivated on helping out of your time and money for others. Onpassive covers all this and then some. CEO Ashmafan, my brother, and his wife, my sister, just want to create technologies, give more value, and inspire and influence the world in a good, positive way, leaving a good impact. That is the spirit of Onpassive. We are the correction to the corruption and to help humanity with AI and with hearts. We focus on the clean and ethical way and proper way and are a legal business worldwide. We have life-changing products that are a game changer that will make a significant change in a positive way. AI is now, and Onpassive got in the game early and is using it in a healthy and clean way to make our lives easier and to obtain our goals and dreams. Wowzer, a total game changer. Onpassive is providing the platform and the value and the products. You just need to really be in it. It is the vehicle to reach your goals. Onpassive is the new way to use the internet. It is more secure, has one single sign-in. Everything's at your fingertips. It is easier to use, uses AI, and is unlimited. Onpassive created CATMO, C for complete, A for automatic system, T for targeted traffic, M for money, O for Onpassive. This will cover all that captivates you. Get back your time and have more finances. Make priceless moments in your life. Life is too short not to captivate your goals and dreams. Get free registration and free digital solutions now. Live more, give more, worry less.